Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
A very warm good evening to everyone. Ngade I Jerwin Kongset Basong Basa ha Nongra Donkte te ngasngutnat banga layora yaka Miss India Exquisite 2022. Te habnai September pat ngan perform yaka international ken ha South Africa. Te ngasukwa ba fiboro banya I support yanga banga nangkiu shaprang kade Miss Planet International. Te habya kun bat ki wake kiri kan all over the world come to he different countries habya kun ha
India film mat tang phi re kat ngut
tang mang marwe hi hon ha Miss Planet International ngan mi khmat tang manga hi hon menta teng hamul isha Delhi nghablet training hablet Asia te nang tapat ngin hat in sayalam ken Imam Miss Rajni Suba in sayalam yangi ha benai September ben perform yaka Miss Planet International hakani competition actually along with the pageant I was like a ram model mo then there was one choreographer uang ken yang ban experience bangali experience yaka pageant te I was not ready tangba iong yang kilik it's okay you don't have to be ready just kilik experience tengalit can experience then I was not expecting bangan job tangba hakajing trishtam jonga then I have the potential kumtu kiapet yaka discipline ki character everything kiapet umdai tangka jing bhabriu jong phiru kiapet yaka inner beauty jong phiru tengala yora yaka crown ken
nang ni na north east kan ngut ki don
na north east langut na Meghalaya manga na Sikkim iwe te na Assam langut ban ong insult te kim insult hira ki klam ong era tangba bun ba kim ya te bhate phang Shillong Meghalaya te hot ngasngo comment shisha mo bangala job ya kanika Miss India Exquisite te ki bun ken ki porlok jongaru ki contestant kilali wat shisha po Google ru ken ka Meghalaya ka longkum no te ki the nature hangni ki breu e jongi we are very kind te as a nature si ong na mo kum ka nature chane hi actually kimya judge tang ya ka beauty jong fi ki apet ka inner beauty jong fi confidence jong fi hard working potential how potential you are then kilabo ki timing jong iru ki breakfast timing then training timing everything te fin hapoi shwa ban poi ki choreographer ken fin hapoi shama phi ban poi ki breu rangba su ong no ki pet lor gitu te ngaru ngade na iwe contestant shwa ban poi ki tu ki choreographer ki mam ki sa tengah poi kloin oken ha hol mo te ki apet ki barok untuk ki potential jong firu ka im jong akum tu ngasit kwa long nong shot nong e kum tu tangba kum tu dangala shong class 7 class 8 ngayo I ken kum tu ma baki ki khna samla jong I baya perform balong model e kum tu te ngaru ngalas dang don ken kata ka im bangan long model tambang pat start ken hasil long ngarang kwa shura ban achieve ka studies jong lade pendap shaki matriculation and all te ngan sapet ken shakmat
tapi la ju simenta ini ki jing shat ye
hot ban ong simenta te ha school e kum tu hot ha schools and then ngalit kini ki beauty pageant e ru ngi ha perform ka talent jong lade badon happen I ken ba inspired yang ngasuang no nobody is there by inspired yang hadukan ni kani tangba it's just me kumno ngala go through ya journey jong ladi and nga inspire bet nga motivate ya ladi kan nga motivate bet ya ladi because I know that kam don hira manu ban motivate ya fi ban push ya fi ban let kiu shaprang tang ma phi kan it's you ka life jong fi long hafin ha perkhat fin le you ha ban le shaprang ban pet ya ki tang dei tang ya ladi fin ha pet ya ki we ki khna samlaru belong as a role model ya ki ban inspire ya ki kan along mentang arang le ka BBA along with my studies nga achieve nga kwa ban achieve ka dreams jong laderu and I'm so blessed bangala job ya kanika Miss India Exquisite 2022 and bangan sa perform international ru Africa kamde ka basuk kan ka journey hon anga kwa ban ong ki youths ki khana samla menta ba you should not compare yourself with anyone fi nganong komno fi along unique the way you are kan you should not compare yourself with anyone. Be kind, be hardworking, have potential. Then you will achieve what you want in your life. Family jongate, they are very supportive. Whatever I do, when on haki studies, achieving my dreams, anything, they are very supportive.